Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm gonna show you guys how I generate passive income every single week, and it actually pays better than dividends. It is called the Wheel Strategy. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it's done and how I'm able to generate passive income every single week. I'm also gonna show you how much I made since I started this strategy from a company that don't even pay dividends. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each. With those 4 free stocks, you can keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 4 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, if you guys want to pick up some Bitcoin, I left a link to Coinbase down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Bitcoin could be the second opportunity for you guys to become very wealthy. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Okay, so I'm going to start it off for you guys. The Wheel Strategy is a strategy that I've been using to generate passive income. You first, usually when people are doing option plays, you hear about them making tons and tons of money, but it's actually very risky as well. But usually when you hear about option plays, they're buying calls or they're buying puts, and that's betting that a stock is going to go up or betting that a stock is going to go down, and you're betting a decent amount of money to win a lot, but you could also lose the money that you're betting. The strategy that I'm going to tell you guys about, we're going to change from buy to now we're selling calls and selling puts, and it's much safer, okay guys, and you could actually generate passive income every single week by doing this strategy. Not only have I been finding some success with it, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Now, when you're selling calls, you're betting that a price is not going to go up to a certain price, so you set it real high, and you're going to get paid out the moment you put it in that call, that it's not going to reach that certain price point. And as soon as you put it in, you're going to get paid, and at the end of the week, if it doesn't reach that price point, all you got to do is do it again the following week and get even more passive income. But let me go ahead and dive into my Robinhood app so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, here we are on AMD. AMD is at $92.54. This is the stock that I use. It's one of my favorite stocks. I do not mind holding this company for ever. This is one of my favorite stocks. So you always wanted to use the real strategy on a company that you planning on holding for a very long time. And if you scroll down, as you guys can see, AMD, they do not pay a dividend at all. Their dividend yield is at 0. But I love their premiums that they pay on their option calls. So we're gonna hit trade options. And right here on January 29th, I already have one in place. Like I said, it's gonna start off on buy call. You wanna switch that over to sell call. You have to have 100 shares of AMD in order to do what I'm doing right here. So that's around $9,000. Or you don't have to have 100 shares. Let's start off with the first step of the Wheel Strategy, the sell put. If you don't have 100 shares and you would like 100 shares of AMD, this is all that you have to do. You hit the sell put. AMD is at $92.54. That's too expensive for you. Let's say that you would buy AMD at $85 right here. Or no, let's say you'll buy AMD at $88 right here. So you'll click that and you get paid out $1.65 per share. So when you're doing option calls, it's always 100 shares. So you multiply that times 100. So you get $165 credited right here. You get $165 right here credited straight to your account immediately. And then they're gonna have the money that you need, $8,800. You have to leave in as collateral, because just in case it does fall down, you're gonna have to buy those shares. But we're picking a low price on a company that we would love to own. So if it does fall to 88, great. We picked it up at $88, and we also made $165. But I already own 100 shares of AMD, so I will switch over to sell call. And right now, AMD is at $92.54. So I say AMD should not jump $10 in a single week by January 29th. So I went all the way up to $105, guys. And I got paid out, well, it wasn't $99 at the time. It was $103. It was $114 at the time when I bought it. But since it's at the end of the day, it went down a little bit to $99. So if AMD shoots all the way up to $104, and I already own 100 shares. That means I made all the profit from it going from $92.54 all the way up to $104. I made all of that profit. And just because it didn't go above $105 by the end of the week, I get to keep my 100 shares, and I also get to keep the $114, which was 90. Now it's 99. I get to keep the $114 that they paid me out in credit and premium from doing this strategy alone. So let me show you guys exactly how much I've made from doing this strategy. I'm going to pull up the spreadsheet that I've been using to track this. So I don't think AMD is going to go from $92 to $105 in 5 days, but their earnings is coming up on Tuesday, so maybe that's why the premiums are so high right now. But we're going to see. Maybe I'll sell it before Tuesday and then buy it back on Wednesday. But if it jumps all the way up to $105, that's still me making money. It's literally a win-win strategy. All right, here we are on the little spreadsheet tracker that I've been doing. I've been doing this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks so far, and I'm up $377 since in passive income. Since I've been doing this, it would have been a lot more if I knew as you guys can see from the very first week. I was not as experienced at it, and I had to roll it over. I didn't lose money. I actually just rolled it over to a further expiration date 2 weeks out to the 18th. So that's why it looks like that. But every week I've been getting $37, $38, $33, $17, $93, $45, $114. That's how much I've been collecting in premium every single week. So from here on out, if I could collect over $50 every single week by the end of the year, how much I'll make? If I make, let's say, $65 every single week times 52, $3,380 in passive income. If the stock goes up, great. If the stock goes up, great, because I'm gonna always set it super high to where if it goes up, I'm gonna make a ton of money, but I'm gonna set it up so high that it's not gonna pass it up in that week. So I'm gonna keep setting these premiums up high, the strike price up high, so I could collect a little bit over $65 on average per trade. This week was $114. Let's say if I do $114 every single week, 114 times 52 weeks, that's $5,928 in a single year, guys. That is amazing. And I only own around $9,000 worth of AMD, and I can make around $4,000 to $5,000 in passive income from this strategy alone. That's why I've been doing it. If you guys want to keep up with this strategy, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to start giving out these plays to you guys. Yes, to you subscribers. I'm going to start giving out my sell calls, my strike prices directly to you guys. So make sure that you subscribe so you can make some of this money as well. But I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. So there we go, guys. If you want to keep up with the strategy on how I make passive income every single week, and if you want to see me give out these plays, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm telling you guys, this has been treating me well so far. And sometimes you might get caught inside a sticky situation, and you don't want to get caught in that situation not knowing what you're doing, because sometimes we got to roll out options up and out or down and in to make even more money. See, it's a lot to come with the game, man. Y'all got to stay hip to the slang, man, for real. But if you don't want to miss none of that, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Also, if you want some free stocks, those links are down in the description. But I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.